Well, hello everyone. This is Shankar Poncelet coming to you live from Amsterdam Airport. As you can see, I'm here in the lounge, and you know that I live the crypto lifestyle, meaning I'm able to travel all the time and work and make money. And that is what we love, don't we? Now, I look a little bit funny, but that's just part of the game when you take these early morning flights. What we're going to talk about right now is an amazing amount of FUD going on in the Solana space and in the crypto space in general. First of all, what is FUD? We're going to talk about that, and we're also going to talk about why I think that in times of FUD, that's when you really have a lot of chance, a lot of potential to make a lot of money, and that's what we all want, right? That's actually how I was able to establish a financial foundation that now lets me be financially free. So if this is something that you are interested in, hit the like button, subscribe, and also share this with someone who has a little bit of disposable income to do something risky. You'd also want to sign up to my landing page, crypto.lifestyle. I need you on my newsletter because if you are only remotely interested in the crypto space and you say, well, I have no idea how to go about all of this, then I need you on my list because next month I'm actually going to host another exclusive 2-day boot camp, and the only way to be part of that boot camp is to be on my list. So let's get this show started because my mother will actually land here in Amsterdam in about 20 minutes and I have to pick her up. So there's no time to waste here. So really, we need to understand what is happening and why people are a little bit worried right now. And I promised you I would tell you what FUD stands for. So FUD is a term that is used in the crypto space and it stands for fear, uncertainty, and now I fear, uncertainty. I forgot the third aspect here, but let me quickly look it up because this is what happens when you do live shows and you are a little bit tired because it's all early in the morning. But I'm just gonna look it up for you. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. There you go. So there's a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the space right now. Because, as you probably know, there have been a lot of rug pulls in the past, let's say, month. And the problem is that these rug pulls were orchestrated by meme coins being launched and endorsed by high-level politicians. We have the Trump coin, we have the Melania coin, we have the Libra coin, which was endorsed by the Prime Minister of Argentina. Now, I want to be very specific here and let you know that it is very likely, very, very likely, not these individuals that have orchestrated the rug pulls because they don't understand enough about the technology, about what is going on. Instead, the people they relied on to build up that extremely efficient network of liquidity pools and of ways to launch such a meme coin on such a large scale, they did what is referred to as insider trading. And that is something that's been around forever in finance, really. And it is punishable. It is a crime. What is it? So if you know before everyone else that a stock or a coin is launched and you snipe it, snipe means you get and buy the coin as early as it is available on the market or potentially even before the general public even has a chance to buy it. So you snipe it, you buy it at the lowest possible price, you let everyone else buy in, and then you sell. You sell a massive amount of coins. And that is what happened. So that's most likely what happened to some degree in the Trump coin, the Melania coin, the Libra coin. And there are whistleblowers coming out right now that essentially expose information where we can see that some of the people who maintain the infrastructure of launching these meme coins that are often linked to the Solana space knew about this. And that, of course, creates this amazing amount of FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And when everyone else runs, what you should do is buy. And that's what I'm doing. Now, instead of doing this with leverage trading on derivatives, I'm actually going to buy the real underlying asset. So that is the Solana coin. That is also Radium. Radium is a platform that is often used by Solana to provide liquidity pools. And I'm also going to do that with Jupiter, which is similarly important for the infrastructure of Solana. So you have to understand that when everyone else is running, you should buy. Okay, this is how you make amazing amounts of money, because I can tell you, having been involved in having just been involved in life and in business for quite a while, I know that people forget very fast. In 5 to 10 weeks, nobody will talk about this anymore, and everything will go back to the fundamentals. And one thing you should know about the Solana blockchain is that it is super fast, it is super scalable, and super cheap. And yes, there are a lot of other alternative chains out there that could run as competitors, but Solana really is the best technology in the sense of how you can create value in a massive way in a short amount of time. This might slow down the meme coin frenzy a little bit, which is actually really good, because what meme coins at the end of the day did is they collected value based on a sense of community, and then there were always a few insiders who would rug people and extract all of that value, take it out of the crypto space, which is really not what we want, right? In the crypto space, we want to make money because there is a technology that will fundamentally change the future, and that is going to happen. It is inevitable. It's just the road is a little bumpy. That's normal. Bitcoin also yesterday found the lower of its long time range that it has been ranging and bouncing in between, and you have two possible outcomes right now. On one hand, it could mean that Bitcoin loses that support and finds an even lower level, probably around 88,000. It would be the next stop, or we are actually going to continue our bull run and rally up. This is basically the decision you have to make right now. Are you a bull or are you a bear? And really, nobody can tell you for sure what's going to happen. What you need to do is look at the indicators, look at the numbers, and then have a plan A for when Bitcoin goes up and have a plan B for when Bitcoin goes down. I am slightly bullish. Nonetheless, I think all of what is going on is just the process of the world waking up to the power of crypto and joining that space. And that's just, when a lot of people join a space, you have this stuff happening. And I think it's good. So if you know you want to be in crypto, but you don't know how and you don't know whom to listen to, then I have exactly what you need. I need you to go to crypto.lifestyle and enter your information. What I will do in return is you will get an email right away that shows you in a beginner-friendly way how you can start dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin. Because that is really what we want at the end of the day. We want more Bitcoin. We want to accumulate Bitcoin, the only real currency, in my opinion, that the world needs. And we are at the early beginning of this whole movement. So it is very important to zoom out sometimes and just know, what do I know is inevitable, and invest in it. That's what you can do with crypto.lifestyle. For the rest, if you want to know what is my risk assessment, what is my assessment in terms of what kind of risk level I should have, you go to mycryptoalliance.com. There's a quiz you can take. It tells you whether you are a saver and what that is. It tells you whether you're an investor or whether you should consider trading. That's it for now. 11 minutes, very, very short live, I know, but I did want to show you that I am present for you no matter what. I'm going to fly to Manchester now and then stay there for a week. And then in a week I'll fly to South Africa and come to you from Cape Town. But I'm sure we'll meet each other in between, and chances are that in a week we have Bitcoin above $100,000. I think that is definitely possible. Right now it doesn't seem very likely, but I think it's possible. Thank you, and have an amazing day ahead of you. This is Shankar Poncelet, live from Amsterdam Schiphol Airport. Stay safe.